after creating my variation products, you can see that I have this. So if you want to remove this, you'll just come back to the product, and here under the variation options, just click to edit. And for that, there was nothing. For this, there's something. So you just click here to edit. And when you click to edit, you'll scroll down and you can see that the prices are here. And you can remove all these other options, or you can add them if you want to. It's entirely up to you. You can even choose a different image for this. So let's say that I choose a product image for this. I can upload an image. Click save. And now this will be the product image for this. Okay. And if you want to edit the others as well, just click on it. Before you do that, make sure you save the changes, and then you can click on the next. Once you save the changes, you can just come and edit the details for the other variations. Like if you want to edit the variation for this 8GB, you'll just come here. You can also add a different image for it. So I'll choose that, but you can upload another image if you want to. And if you want to change any other details here, you can see all the details you can change. You can change the SKU. If you want to change the SKU, you can change the number of quantity of the items that you have for that particular variation. And if you scroll down, you can also change the weights. And that's pretty much it for this. Okay. So once you make any changes, make sure you click on save. And if you want to go back to the product, just click on back to product. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.